if you want to make sure that you have virtualization enabled or not, then you can check so by opening the task manager. So just type in task manager, and then over here go to the processes, or no, go to the performance tab. You can expand this and you'll see performance, and then what you'll see here is virtualization disabled. If you don't have it enabled, then you'll see this. So to go ahead and enable virtualization technology, you have to first restart your PC. So you have to go to the start menu and then click on restart. So let's restart it. So once your PC is booting up, you can just click F2 just like it says over here at the bottom, and you'll enter BIOS mode, and this is how it looks like. So your BIOS menu will look different, but this is how mine looks. And what you want to do is just go to somewhere where you see advanced mode, so right here, advanced mode, and click here. And then there's more options here. And if your BIOS mode has a search function, like over here there's a search, F9, you can use that, but I'm going to show you how to find it in this specific BIOS menu. So let's click on advanced and then click on CPU configuration, and then over here just scroll down until you see Intel VMX Virtualization Technology. It's sometimes called different names, such as SVM or something like that, but it will be obvious when you see it. Virtualization is the keyword here, and what you want to do is just enable it. So let's just enable that. Okay, so I'm back in the menu, and what you want to do is just save and exit right here. So click on that and then click on OK, and it will show you what things you have changed as well. So just click on OK and your PC will continue booting. So once you're done all the steps, you can now open up Task Manager just to check if you have really enabled it. So let's go to the Processes or Performance tab, and then we see here that virtualization is enabled finally.